What's up, everybody? It's your boy Benny here at STPDIESEL, and here we go again with some shop action today. I'm pretty excited. As you guys, well, some of you guys know, I just got myself a little F-150 single cab. Man, I was itching for a long time, and I finally pulled the trigger anyway. We got it done, and like anything else, whenever you get something cool, especially a new ride or a truck, the very first, at least for me, the very first performance part that you put in it is a coder intake. As small as it is, it's still very, very cool to do, and no other company for us to go with other than our good friends at SMB Coder Intakes. Let's check out what they have to offer. Boom. There's our new box, and then let's check out the intake system right here. Boom. Very, very nice. Nice little oiled filter. The tubing right there, and the case for us to put the lid on it, and then the breather. One of the cool things that I went with these for was a lot of other coder intake manufacturers didn't have this scoop right here, and I'm always been a believer of that cold scoop technology. That one appears to have it, and I'm very excited. Well, they've never let us down at any other intakes on diesels and gas, so even for the Chevy guys, they make a really good coder intake system. And then let's get a shot. Boom, right there. This is the engine bay of the Coyote right here. Very, very nice, stock looking. Got a nice little drop kit, some nice little wheels, and yes. Again, let's very excited about this, and let's get to it. Let's put this coder intake on just in time for the weekend.